Scan two-sided documents with the HP SmartTank 670, 720, 750, 790, 6000, 7000, 7300, and 7600 printer series. Using the HP Smart app, you can scan two-sided documents with your HP SmartTank printer. Open the HP Smart app on your computer. If you do not have the HP Smart app, you can get it for free from your App Store or from 123.hp.com. Power on the printer. Lift the scanner lid. Load the document to be scanned onto the scanner glass. Align the document with the indicated corner. For HP SmartTank 750, 760, 7300, and 7600 series printers, you can also use the document feeder to scan. Load the original document into the feeder, with the side to be scanned facing up. From the HP Smart home screen, select the scan tile. In the top left, make sure Scanner is selected. Adjust any settings in the right-hand menu based on the paper type and your preferences. If you are scanning using the document feeder, be sure to select Document Feeder as the source. Select Scan to begin the scan. Make any adjustments to the scan based on your preferences. For the second side of the document, select Add in the preview window to return to the scan window. Open the scanner lid. Flip the document to the second side, and align it with the indicated corner. Close the scanner lid. For document feeder scans, remove the original document from the feeder output tray. Flip the document to the second side and load it into the feeder, with the side to be scanned facing up. In HP Smart, select Scan to begin the scan. Make any adjustments to the scan based on your preferences. In the preview window, you can select Print to print the scanned document, Save to save the document to your computer, and Share to send the document to an email address or to another app or destination.